Hi, I'm Kaz.
And I'm Pete.
And together we are
Crafty Caravanners.
This here behind is Milo.
And here is Dotty.
And together we are a little family that enjoy caravanning and things crafty, hence our channel name. I like to sew, paint rocks, bake and anything crafty really.
We like to take day trips as well, so we may be doing a day trip on a traditional caravanning holiday point of view, or we may be going to the beach and doing a little bit of mudlarking or beachcombing, doing it to go and acquire some raw materials for our crafting projects.
Or just pure history, vintage items that are of interest.
So we hope you come along for the ride with us, and you're welcome to stay.
Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.